Okay everyone, hello and welcome to how to draw a flower or a flower drawing. We're just going to draw a flower today in pencil. We're going to draw a lily, which is a beautiful flower with very big petals that have really interesting shapes. You're going to need a pencil, so either number 2 pencil, which is the same as an HB pencil, or a variety of pencils. Here's a B pencil, here's a 3B pencil if you want to experiment with darker pencils. This is a smudger, which is always useful to have to get blending. You can have a kneaded eraser or a regular eraser, that's fine. And this is my pencil sharpener. Okay, so let's get started with drawing our lily. And like I said, lilies have these big, beautiful kind of petals. But basically, to start off with, you might just want to draw a nice big circle shape. Now, there's no real circle in a lily, but if you draw that circle shape, that's sort of like your target zone. And the lily, you can think of like a starfish. The lily's petals are just going to go out, and you might want to aim for that edge of the circle with some of the ends of the petals. Not all of them, and you don't have to be exact about it, but more or less. So let's say the center of the circle is about here. That can be the center of the lily. So let's start with one of the petals coming out. Okay, sort of like this.